There's been a lot happening in AI over the past week, from major model releases to big acquisitions by tech giants. Here's what you need to know if you want to stay ahead of the curve. First up, OpenAI has officially launched GPT 5.2, the newest version of its flagship AI model. This upgrade comes after what insiders have described as a code red push to respond to rising competition in the AI space. GPT 5.2 offers significantly improved reasoning capabilities, better handling of long, complex prompts, and stronger performance on real-world productivity tasks like coding, spreadsheets, and advanced writing. It's being released in different variants, including an instant version for quick tasks and a pro version for deeper, more computationally intense work. In other corporate news, SoftBank has completed its massive $40 billion investment in OpenAI, one of the largest funding moves in the history of AI development. This level of backing not only accelerates OpenAI's research efforts, but also signals confidence from major global investors that AI will be a dominant part of the tech landscape for years to come. Meanwhile, Meta is doubling down on artificial intelligence with its recent acquisition of the AI startup Manus. Meta has stated that the deal will strengthen its ability to build advanced AI agents across its platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, and more. Manus was already generating significant revenue with its general-purpose AI tool, and now Meta is betting on it to compete directly with other large AI companies. Beyond model releases and acquisitions, China continues to expand its footprint in the AI space with new hardware innovations that could challenge US-based companies like NVIDIA. A new photon-based AI chip developed by researchers in Shanghai and Beijing is reportedly outperforming some current-generation AI accelerators, especially in video and image generation tasks. This trend highlights how global competition in AI hardware and software continues to heat up. Taken together, this week's developments show that the AI industry isn't slowing down. It's evolving rapidly. New models, massive investments, and strategic acquisitions are shaping the future of how we work, create, and interact with technology. If you want more updates like this, weekly news, breakdowns of new tools, and how these changes affect real creators and entrepreneurs, make sure you subscribe to AI Launchpad.